What's up, guys? I'm Matt Emerson from Goonsquadbmx. This is the bike check volume 2, and I guess we'll start out with the frame. We have the BSD Passenger in 20.85, super sleek, super short back end. And then I guess we'll go from the top down. You know how it is. Go bars. We have 9 rise Fiend team bars. Pretty standard bars, you know. My go-to. We have the Fly Devon Smiley grips. They're awesome. Go get a pair from Bike Zone. Then the Merit top load stem. I don't remember the actual name, but it's the Merit one. Just a pretty standard Salt Plus headset. Got a couple spacers in there. What else do we got here? We got Fiend, what are they called? Invest?
What are they?
Like that? Fiend Invest forks? Yeah, Fiend Invest forks. I think they're 28 offset, something like that. Good for nose manuals. I wouldn't know. We have same wheel sets as last time, if you don't know. Demolition Zero rim in the front with Demolition something hub, 2 hub guards, McNeil plastic pegs all around, and Sunday street sweepers, I think they're called. Jake Seeley's tires, super nice, super grippy, super squeaky. Then we have Animal Akimbos in 175. You know, good for crank arms, nice and long. I wouldn't know either. Merit plastic pedals. What are they called? P1s or something like that. P1 pedals. They're nice. Pretty standard pedals, I guess. Then the McNeil guard sprocket in 28.2. Got it today from the Bike Zone BMX Jam. If you were there, thanks for coming out. If you weren't, you lucked out. There was a lot of good goodies given away. Come next time. Then I got the Demolition signatures on here somewhere. Connor Loads seat, I think. Something like that. It's pretty gangster. Nice and good quality. And for seat post, I have the Merit seat post. Pretty standard seat post, I guess. I mean, nothing special there. The back end, got Demolition Zero rim laced to a Demolition V2 rotator free coaster, something like that. And then some hub guard. Bryden gave it to me. He's a gangster. Then we've got another street sweeper in the back, 2.4 in the back, 2.4 in the front. Nice and chunky. And what else do I got? BSD chain.
That might be it.
Oh, yeah, that might be it.
Oh, pedals maybe.
Oh, I
Fuck.
said pedals.
Oh, you did pedals? Oh, shit.
I mean, United bottom bracket, if you really care.
Hey, the bottom bracket.
We got one Fiend bearing in here in the headset, one Demolition bearing, and a Salt Plus top cap. It's all the goodies. So yeah, thanks for checking out my bike check. Have a nice night. Go ride your bikes. Fucking no. Matt Emerson signing off. Gang, gang, gang.